Hi everyone, I'm outside again today. It's another lovely day and I have another unboxing to show you. This time it's diamond painting, and it's been quite a while since I've done any diamond painting, so I thought it was about time I showed you and actually did some. So here it is. It's going to be a hanger, and hopefully I will have it ready in time for the season. It comes with the usual kit: the pen, the wax and the note. And the hanging loop. And as you've probably seen, it's Halloween. So pumpkins and different things. So I'm looking forward to starting this one. I might sit and do some after I've done today's granny square. Let's get looking at the colours. And they look like they're all sparklies. Nice purple. These ones. I can't wait to see this actually finished. There's these ones. Some more purples. Plain black. And sparkly orange ones. So there we have it. A diamond painting unboxing. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you again on the next one.